Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we learning alphabets. Purple color, red color, brown color, green color. Alphabets A. Red color A for apple. Green color B for ball. Red color C for crow. Green color D for dog. Sky blue color E for elephant. F for fish. Writing A. Red color A for apple. A for red apple. Green color B for ball. B for ball. Red color A, green color B. Red color C for cat. C for crow. Red color C. Green color D. Green color D for dog. Green color D. Blue color E. Blue color E for elephant. E for eagle. Orange color F for flower. F for fish. Red color G. Red color G for grape. Green color H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. Yellow color J for juice. Sky blue color K for kite. Green color L for lemon. Green color G for grape. G for grape. Green color H for house. H for house. Blue color I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Yellow color J for juice. Yellow color J for juice. Blue color K for kite. Blue color K for kite. Green color L for lemon. L for lemon. A B C D E F. A B C D E F. G H I J K L. G H I J K L. Like and subscribe our channel for watching next video.